Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. When working on long-running tasks or operations in a Python program, it's essential to provide feedback to the user to let them know that the program is still working. This can be achieved by displaying a processing message. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create a simple Python program that shows a processing message while performing a time-consuming operation. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from the official Python website. Let's start by creating a Python script. You can use any text editor or integrated development environment, IDE, to write your code. Save the file with a .py extension. In this example, we'll use the name processing_message.py. We will use the time module to simulate a time-consuming operation and the sys module to manage standard input and output. Create a function that performs a time-consuming operation. For the sake of this example, we'll simulate a task that takes 5 seconds to complete. Now, let's create a function to display a processing message while the time-consuming task is running. In this code, finally, call the show_processing_message function to display the processing message while your task is running. To run the script, open a terminal or command prompt, navigate to the directory where processing_message.py is saved, and execute the following command. You will see the processing message displayed while the time-consuming task is running. Once the task is completed, the message will be cleared, and task completed will be printed. Feel free to replace the time_consuming_task function with your actual time-consuming operation, and this pattern will help provide feedback to your users during lengthy processes in your Python programs. ChatGPT.